Can you rent jewelry? What to know before you do. Hi everyone, I'm Rachel Akmakjian, jewelry expert here at BriteCo Insurance. Let's talk about something that surprises a lot of people. You can actually rent fine jewelry. That's right. Everything from engagement rings to diamond tennis bracelets and Cartier necklaces can be borrowed for a weekend or a wedding or a red carpet event. But here's the big question. Is renting jewelry really worth it? And what happens if something goes wrong? Let's dive into how jewelry rental works, what to look out for, and when you might want to buy instead. So how does jewelry rental actually work? It's a lot like renting designer clothing. You choose your piece online, maybe a pair of diamond earrings or a statement necklace, pay a rental fee, wear it for a few days, then send it back. Companies like Vivrel, Rocksbox, and Rent the Runway have made luxury jewelry more accessible, giving you that whoa factor for a special occasion without the full price tag. You usually pay a membership fee or a per item rental cost, and in most cases, the company will cover minor wear and tear, and it's a big but, you're responsible if jewelry is lost, stolen, or damaged. Renting jewelry can actually make a lot of sense in a few situations. Maybe you're attending an event like a wedding, gala, or photo shoot, and you want that one statement piece without dropping thousands. Or maybe you're trying different styles out before committing to a major purchase. Renting can help you see what looks best on you before buying. It's also a great option for brides who want to wear something stunning for the ceremony but don't want to purchase a $10,000 diamond necklace for a single day. Just make sure you read the fine print, especially when it comes to liability for loss or damage. Okay, here's where things get tricky. Most jewelry rental companies do not offer full insurance coverage. That means if the jewelry is lost or stolen while in your possessions, you are financially responsible for the full retail value, not the rental price. Let's say you rent a $5,000 bracelet for $200. If it disappears or is damaged beyond repair, you could owe the company the full $5,000, and your homeowners and renters insurance likely won't cover it either because, guys, you don't really own the item. So before you rent, always ask, does the rental include insurance for loss, theft, or accidental damage? If not, you might want to think twice. Sometimes it's smarter and safer to buy. If you're someone who attends a lot of events or you love wearing fine jewelry often, renting can actually add up quickly. And when you buy, you can insure your jewelry through BriteCo for full replacement coverage anywhere in the world. That means if your diamond necklace or engagement ring is stolen, lost, or accidentally damaged, you're covered with zero out-of-pocket costs. Plus, with BriteCo, getting that coverage takes about a minute. You just fill out a quick online form and get an instant quote. So, can you rent jewelry? Absolutely. Just make sure you understand the fine print and know who's on the hook if something happens. And if you're ready to invest in fine jewelry, you can actually call your own. Make sure it's protected the right way. Head to Brite.co and get your instant jewelry insurance quote today. It's fast, affordable, and gives you the peace of mind to wear what you love worry-free. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more jewelry insights, expert tips, and insurance advice from your team here at BriteCo.